Hello everyone. In this video session, I'm going to practically demonstrate one of the Selenium WebDriver commands, that is clear command. So what is the purpose of this clear command? Let me explain. For example, there is an application like this. On this application, there is a text box field which is having some text. Now my requirement is to clear this text like this. Whatever the text that was there in the text box field, I want to clear that. For that, we have this command known as clear command. From your Selenium automation code, we can clear the text inside this text box field using the clear command. Let me practically show you how to do that. So this is a sample code of Selenium, guys, which will open the Chrome browser and navigate you to the omai.blogspot.com. That is this website. After that, I want to clear the text that is there inside this text box field. Okay. So this particular text I want to clear from this text box field. For that, I have to right click and select inspect, and this is HTML code of this text box field, guys. As you can see, there is some ID and value for this text box field. I'll copy the value of this ID, and here I'll type something like driver dot find element by dot ID. I'll find the text box field like this, and then I'll I will provide the command, that is clear command. This clear command of Selenium WebDriver will clear the text from this text box field now. So let's see whether this clear command is able to clear the text from this text box field or not. Since you'll not be able to understand directly, what I will do is I'll simply add some thread.sleep here, guys. Okay. Before the text is cleared, once the application is opened, and immediately if it clears, you will not understand whether the text got cleared or not. So for that demonstration purpose, I'm simply adding this thread.sleep where our program will halt for 3 seconds. Before this text is getting cleared, it will wait for 3 seconds. After that, it will be cleared using this clear command. This is just for the demonstration purpose, guys. Now let's run this code, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Now the application Chrome browser will open and it will navigate you to this open this application URL, and it will wait for 3 seconds. After that, it will clear the text from the specified text box field. You see the application got launched, and you see there is some text inside this text box field. You see it got cleared. This is happening because of the clear command, guys. Using clear command of Selenium WebDriver, not only you can clear the text from the text box field, also you can clear the text from the text area field also, guys. Okay, either we can clear the text from the text box fields, or we can clear the text from the text area fields like this. So that's it, guys. This is all about the clear command of Selenium WebDriver. Thank you. Bye.